Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how to select language in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. Choosing between English UK and English US can be confusing for many. To set the language in both Word documents and PowerPoint presentations to English UK, follow these simple steps. In a Word document, locate the language indicator at the bottom of the page, click on it, and a window will appear. From the array of available languages, select UK English and set it as the default. Alternatively, navigate to the Review option in the ribbon, choose Languages, and opt for UK English. This ensures consistent language usage throughout your document. For PowerPoint presentations, follow a similar process. Find the language indicator at the bottom of the page, select UK English, and click on Default. This straightforward action ensures that your language preference is set to UK English in PowerPoint presentations as well. Now, both your Word documents and PowerPoint presentations will maintain language uniformity, eliminating the ambiguity of choosing between English variations. You can also check out other important tutorials available at our channel. Do subscribe our channel and suggest in the comments section if you have any video recommendations. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned.